Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on console. DayZ offers an intense, open-world survival experience where every choice matters. You'll begin with minimal supplies, needing to quickly find food, water, and basic tools to avoid starvation or dehydration. The game's permadeath system means losing everything upon death, adding significant weight to your actions. Be prepared for unpredictable encounters with other survivors, as trust is a rare commodity in this harsh environment. To survive in DayZ, mastering basic mechanics is crucial. Your first priority should always be securing food and water. Look for wells, fruit trees, or canned goods. Keep an eye on your character's health, as injuries and illnesses can quickly become fatal without proper care. Learning to craft simple items like stone knives or improvised backpacks will greatly enhance your chances. Remember, efficient inventory management is key to carrying enough supplies without being overburdened. Player interaction is a core, unpredictable element of DayZ. You'll encounter a wide array of weapons, from basic melee tools to powerful firearms, each with unique handling. Developing strong situational awareness and using stealth can help you avoid dangerous situations. When you spot another player, you must quickly decide whether to engage in combat, attempt to communicate, or simply avoid them. Always be ready for sudden ambushes, as trust is often betrayed in this unforgiving world. For long-term survival, consider advanced strategies. Familiarize yourself with the vast map, identifying key locations like hospitals, military bases, and water sources. Establishing a hidden stash or a secure base can provide a safe haven for your valuable loot. Playing with a small, trusted group of friends significantly increases your chances of survival and allows for resource sharing. Always remember to maintain your weapons, tools, and clothing to ensure they remain effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.